there ever such thing as a clean election, really?
Well, I mean, I think this is sort of part and parcel of election campaigns. It always has been, and I it's like, it's a tradition in this country. It took on different forms, dirty trick campaigns in the past. This one is actually just more obvious because it's a video on social media. And I think the people crying foul of it were, you know, exaggerating a little bit. The Catherine Connolly side of the campaign was well able to criticise their opponents, was well able to, shout about Fine Gael and shout about journalists at some points earlier on in the campaign. So I think it was part of the campaigning. However, we have this really sort of odd kind of through the looking glass situation here, because we have, on the one hand, earlier on in the campaign, when Ivana Bacik claimed there was a smear campaign against Catherine, that was in relation to the question as to whether she would hire a rapist or not. And Ivana Bacik of the Labour Party came out and said, oh, this is a smear campaign. Other parts of the left in Irish politics, Pauline O'Reilly, former Green Party senator, said to use this terminology about smear campaigns so regularly when there are legitimate questions is a tactic of the far right. It's a Trumpian tactic, and, replace smear with fake news and see where you land. But then we had this attack video where Labour in turn is accusing Fine Gael of Trumpian tactics. So it's very hard for the voters and people on either side of the debate think the other side is being Trumpian here. So it's a sort of new, I think, confusion, a new element in Irish politics, which has left a kind of sour taste for both sides.